Do you have these troubles caused by doorbells? Low intercom volume, slow response, short standby duration on battery, high cost on cloud server storage, unsafe data storage? Here we unveil A-Spell, a new smart doorbell for you. You will never miss any visitor. Unlock your door remotely via app. Equipped with 720p, HD camera, 170-degree wide-angle view, fast response. After motion detection is triggered, instant alerts will be sent. Support data storage on indoor gateway with max 32 GB memory card. 2.4 GHz private two-way protocol with secure data transmission. 6-month long standby duration on battery. Optional 7-inch indoor monitor. Main functions include two-way intercom, live view video, remote unlock, motion detection, etc. Free from drilling holes and wirings. Just stick it to wall. We have a R&D team made up of senior hardware and software engineers with rich experience in wireless low-power consumption audio and video transmission field. We have been developing door intercoms for 10 years and will continue investing heavily in research to provide more competitive products to our customers. A-Spell. Home safety at your fingertips.